Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real, and stop struggling to make your Instagram stories pop. Want to easily add that awesome neon glow text to your Instagram stories? This quick guide makes it super simple even if you're a total beginner. If you've ever felt your text just blends in, or you're wondering how others get that cool, vibrant, glowing text on Instagram, you're definitely in the right place. It can seem tricky to find, but trust me, it's easier than you think. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to apply that awesome neon effect to your text in Instagram stories. We'll cover everything you need to make your stories stand out. Ready to light up your feed? Let's get started. All right, step 1. First, you need to open your Instagram app and start creating a new story. From your Instagram home screen, tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom center or sometimes top right depending on your layout. Step 2. Once you tap the plus, you'll see options like Post, Story, Reel, and Live at the bottom. Make sure Story is selected. Then, on the Story Creation screen, look for the AA icon, which stands for Create or Text Mode. Tap that. Step 3. Now you'll see a screen where you can type. Go ahead and type out the message you want to have that cool neon font Instagram look. For this example, I'll just type test text. Wait, quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far and you're excited to try out these Instagram story text effects, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find it and lets me know you want more tips like this. Okay, back to making our text glow. All right, step 4. With your text typed, look at the toolbar that appears, usually above your keyboard or at the top of the screen. You're looking for the text effect icon. It's a capital A with some sparkles or stars around it. Tap that icon to reveal different effects. Step 5. Now you'll see a new row of effect options appear like sparkle, shimmer, and the one we want, neon. Simply tap on neon. Perfect. And just like that, you've got glowing text on Instagram. You can now tap the color wheel icon at the top to change the color of your neon glow. Play around with different fonts too. The neon effect works on most of them. This is a great way to create some really cool Instagram story ideas. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to add that eye-catching neon glow to your text in Instagram stories. No more boring text. You can now make your messages shine and grab attention instantly. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips and tricks for Instagram and other social media, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Real and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other Instagram story features do you want to learn about? I might cover it in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.